What's up, YouTube? First of all, since this is my first video of 2021, allow me to wish everybody a happy new year. I wish everybody health and wealth this year. Please stay safe, and let's get to it.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Alright, YouTube, we back. So, for those of you that are new here and are not quite clear about what's happening, let me catch you up to speed. I'm about to paint this Toyota Camry with a 26-gallon air compressor. 26-gallon air compressor. I am going to walk the car. I'm laying down pearls, and I'm laying down high solid clear. Grant 7, of course. Now, one thing. You see the temperature? It's not even 50 degrees in here, YouTube. Now, I did bring my old heater from the other shop, but it's overkill. This thing is 350,000 BTUs. It is overkill for this small garage. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to shoot it in 50 degrees. That's what we're going to do. So we got a cold paint job. We got a small compressor paint job. We got a 2-car garage paint job. Man, so much content in this one video. I hope y'all are paying attention. Oh, I hope y'all are paying attention. We got pearls in this paint job. Grant 7 clear in this paint job. Come on, man. That's it. I don't even need to say nothing else. So on that note, YouTube, let's get to work. Come on, YouTube. Do y'all just see what just happened? Oh, Lord, YouTube. Oh, Lord. This is why you must pray before you spray, YouTube. Let me tell y'all what happened. In case y'all just missed what happened, go back a few seconds in the video. There was a reaction. There was a chemical reaction between the rattle can primer that I used on those spots and the paint. Look how the rest of it's coming out. It's beautiful. Until I got to the... Hold on, YouTube. I'm going to take y'all over there. All right, YouTube, you see this spot? That spot, y'all remember? And the spot on the trunk, which is just from a second ago. Now, there's been a couple of hours since this happened. So, basically, everywhere that I used rattle can primer, because these are just spots that had to be addressed, reacted to the paint. Hold on, let me sit down. Let me tell y'all the plan. All right, YouTube. So, like I said, the base coat reacted to the spots that I used the rattle can primer. Now, I believe it reacted to the Rust-Oleum. I think that's the primer I used, the Rust-Oleum filler primer, because I had used that just to hit those spots that I had to do some work on. As you see, the rest of the car looks great, but this is only one coat of base. YouTube. Now, let me tell y'all, this is the plan. This is what happened. So this happened last night. I decided, I was like, you know what? And I was struggling with it because painters know there's a window that you have, a couple of hours that you can kind of get away with slapping on another coat of base and letting it, bite into itself. But I was like, you know what? No, those spots got to be hit. I got to hit it with the 2K. So last night I ran the heater for a little bit. I tried to, basically it was speeding up the drying. And then I was going to do it last night, hit it. And I got frustrated, YouTube. I said, you know what? I'm going to step away. That's what you got to do sometimes, YouTube. You got to step away. You got to, you got to get away, get your energy right, and then come back and tackle problems with a clear head. And that's basically where I'm at right now. So I came back early this morning. I've already sanded down those spots because everything dried. This is all dry right now, YouTube. It looks good, but it's dry. So basically what's going to happen now is I'm about to hit those spots with 2K primer, which is probably what I should have did in the first place. So this is my fault. I'm going to hit them with some 2K primer real quick. I'm going to hit them with a surfacer actually, because it's still pretty flat. It's just, YouTube. Yeah, I know some of y'all painters feel my pain, right? When you this far ahead, and then you got to stop and do it. Now what's going to happen is I didn't have to scuff up this whole car down because I might still be within my window, but I would feel better. I don't want any delamination issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scuff up the whole car. Now, I don't have to sand it all the way back down to nothing, but I do have to scuff it up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, hold on, see, it's a different sander. Don't use the same sander that you use for regular body work when you're trying to do flow coats or whatever. It's better to use a different one. That way it's as clean as possible. So what I'm going to do, I keep this sander with the interface pad on it, and I'm going to go over the whole car. And then once I get the whole car scuffed up, we're going to pick up where we left off at, YouTube. I'm not happy about it, but I'm being honest with y'all. See, I could have edited this out, but like I told y'all, it's too much content in this video. Now y'all got chemical reactions. Now you got fixing it. Listen, it's the end result that matters. So let me get back to work, YouTube. Let's make it happen.
the right to